everyone, my name's Molly and this is my best friend Millie. Now, we're very excited because we're going to do some craft today. And you only need a few things, don't you, Millie? So, you need to go eat an icy pole or an ice cream because we're going to need a stick. And I think we can all do that, can't we, Millie? We love ice cream and icy poles. We need a glue stick. We need some sticky tape. We need a pair of scissors. And we need a few little eyes, but if you don't have eyes, we can just draw them on. And we need baking cups, any color you want, and some crayons. All right, first of all, Millie, we're gonna draw on our paddle pop stick, a superhero. That's right, Millie, we're making superheroes. So let's start with the hair. Should we give blonde hair? Yeah, all right. Let's draw some hair. All right, should we glue our eyes on? I think so. So just get your glue stick, put a bit of glue. Remember, you can draw them on. It's easy with black. One, there we go. And a little bit more glue. Glue sticks are so sticky, aren't they, Millie? All right, good. Now, we will draw the cape. Should we do purple? No. Red? Okay. Pink? Yeah! A pink cape. First, though, should we give our superhero a mouth? Yeah, I think so too. We're gonna be smiling, aren't we? Because we're always happy. All right, let's do a cape. Color it in. It's a lot of fun to do with your friends and your family, isn't it, Millie? We love to make craft together. All right, should we give it maybe some shorts? What about red? Okay, purple? Green? Yay! Got to make sure Millie likes it, everyone. But remember, you can do it any colors you want, can't they, Millie? All right. Now, do we want blue or yellow? Blue. Good choice. So what we do now is you just need a baking cup. We'll make it into a big round. We won't be baking cupcakes in this, will we? All right, big round. We're gonna fold a bit over, just like that. So you've got a little bit over, and we're gonna do a little bit more to make more of a triangle cape look, aren't we? Just like that. Now, that's a pretty cool cape if you ask me, isn't it, Millie? So, we grab our superhero. We put her in her blue funky cape. We get our sticky tape. We do one piece. Probably about that long, Millie, do you think? That long? And we stick it across her cape. We hold it up. And there is our superhero. Wow, good job, Millie, high five. Yay! And you can do whatever color you want or anything. We had so much fun, didn't we? Thank you all for coming, bye.